everything that we do requires energy, like walking around, making pizza, or even going shopping. So, do you all ever thought, how do we get this energy or from where? Now, the first thing you probably think of is food, which you might reach for a quick boost of energy. But cells do not eat apples or candy bars. So, let us see how cells get energy for functioning the body in this video. Cells get their required energy from the process called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is defined as the process by which organisms break down food molecules with or without the presence of oxygen to get chemical energy for cell to function. Let me repeat it again for you. Cellular respiration is defined as the process by which organisms break down food molecules with or without the presence of oxygen to get chemical energy for cell. In any of the cases, like with or without oxygen, the first step is breakdown of glucose. Glucose is nothing but the food you eat, a 6-carbon molecule into a 3-carbon molecule called pyruvate, which takes place in the cytoplasm. Next, this 3-carbon pyruvate is moved to the mitochondria in the presence of oxygen, which gives carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Let me repeat, it gives carbon dioxide, water, and energy. This is known as aerobic respiration as it takes place in the presence of oxygen. The energy which is released in this process is immediately used to synthesize a molecule called ATP. The abbreviation is known as adenosine triphosphate. Cellular respiration also happens in the absence of oxygen in the yeast, known as alcoholic or yeast fermentation, which produce ethanol, carbon dioxide, and energy, known as anaerobic respiration because it happens in the absence of oxygen. Then, have you ever felt cramps in your legs or hands while running or doing exercise, and have you ever wondered why? This happens when we lack oxygen in our muscles. When we lack oxygen, we couldn't break down pyruvate. So, it takes another pathway where the pyruvate is converted into lactic acid and energy. Due to the buildup of lactic acid in our muscles during sudden activity causes cramps. So, we have seen 3 various pathways for the breakdown of glucose, and they take place in absence of oxygen, presence of oxygen, and lack of oxygen. Just look at this for a minute and recall all the things which we have seen before.